Namaskar, how are you? Perhaps you are fine. Thank you. Today is geography's turn. So, the geography's lesson number 2, physical feature of India. भारत का भौतिक स्वरूप। इस पार्ट से मैं कम से कम 2 वीडियो बनाऊंगा। उसकी फर्स्ट वीडियो आज, पहला पार्ट अब बनाता हूँ। ठीक, आप ध्यान से देखिए, सुनिए। You have already learnt about the India is the vast country with various landforms. What is kind of terrain do live in it? If you have the plains, you are familiar with the stretch of plain land. In contrast, if you live in hilly region, the rugged terrain with mountain and the valleys are common features. In fact, our country has practically all major physical features of earth. For example, mountains, plains, desert, plateau, etc. The major physiographic डिवीजन, भारत के कुछ भौतिक विभाग हैं जिनका वर्णन कुछ इस तरह से है। द फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया कैन बी grouped under the following physiographic divisions. First of all, the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains. Third, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plain, the islands. ये कुछ इस तरह से है। हिमालय पर्वत, उत्तरी मैदान, प्रायद्वीपीय पठार, भारतीय मरुस्थल, तटीय मैदान, द्वीप समूह। तो इस तरह से इसका वितरण हुआ है। द हिमालयंस माउंटेन्स, you know about the Himalayans. Himalayan range is very wide, which covers a distance of about 2400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The altitudinal variation are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lies between these ranges. The northernmost range is known as the Great Himalaya, or it is known as Himadri. It is most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks with the average height of 6,000 meters. It contains all permanent Himalayan peaks. You see the map. Karakoram, Jaskar Range, Sivalek Range, etc. Some peaks of Himalayas are here. The Mount Everest, 8,848 km, is the highest peak of the world. There are many others: Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parvat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kamet, Namcha Barua, Garula Mandhata. There are many ranges about it. After it, you found the northern plains. Northern plains has very formed by the interplay of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो उत्तरी मैदान है ये तीन मुख्य नदियों से बना है, जैसे कि मैंने नाम लिए उनके, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र और सतलज। तो ये जो मैदान है ये बहुत ही उपजाऊ है। इट इज़ वेरी एल्यूवल सॉइल. The deposition of elevation is a vast basin lying the foothills of the Himalayas over millions of years. It has the most population of our country. There is nothing others. This plain is very fertile. It is very advanced. There are many roads, railways, etc. उत्तरी मैदान को मोटे तौर पर तीन उपवर्गों में विभाजित किया गया है. The largest part of northern plain is formed the older alluvial. It lies above the flood plains of the river and present a trace-like feature. This part is known as Vangar. There are two types of soils found in these areas. First is Vangar and second is Khadar. Khadar is very fertile. Vangar is not very fertile. Khadar have a good soil. Vangar has not good soil. Khadar soils have no concrete and Vangar have some concrete. Khadar soils find the nearest to the rivers and Vangar is found the outsides of the rivers. This is the first video of our